In this video, I'll show you how to enable the Home button in Google Chrome, set a specific home page, and customize which website opens automatically when Chrome starts. This is useful if you want quick access to your favorite website every time you open Chrome. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click the three-dot menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open the main Chrome settings page. Next, on the left sidebar, click Appearance. Scroll down until you find the option called Show Home button. Turn the toggle on. Once enabled, Chrome will display a home icon next to the address bar. You'll now see two options. Use the New Tab page or enter a custom web address. Select the option to enter a custom web address. In the text field, type the website you want to open when clicking the Home button. For example, google.com or youtube.com. Now, whenever you click the Home button, Chrome will instantly open that website. Next, let's configure which website opens automatically when Chrome launches. In the left sidebar, click On Startup. You'll see three options. Open the New Tab page, continue where you left off, or open a specific page or set of pages. Select Open a specific page or set of pages. Then click Add a new page. Now enter the website address you want Chrome to open automatically when Chrome starts. For example, mail.google.com or youtube.com. Click Add. The next time you open Chrome, your selected website will launch automatically. You can also add multiple startup websites if needed. That's how you enable the Home button in Google Chrome, set a custom homepage, and customize your startup website. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Chrome tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.